Welcome to our video on how to survive extreme cold snaps in North Dakota. With winter temperatures dropping significantly in this region, it's crucial to be well prepared for the harsh elements. In today's guide, we will share essential tips on everything from the right clothing to emergency supplies that can help you stay safe and warm during severe cold weather. Whether you're heading out on the road or staying cozy at home, these practical strategies will ensure you're ready for whatever the winter throws your way. Let's dive in. 1. The right clothing. In North Dakota, winter is not just a season, it's a challenge. Dressing appropriately is your first line of defense against the biting cold. Start with a thick coat that acts like a fortress against the icy winds. Don't forget to cover your extremities with gloves, a hat, and a scarf. A face mask can also be a lifesaver on particularly windy days. Your feet need protection too, so invest in a sturdy pair of snow boots and snow pants. Whether you're walking to class, going skiing, or simply building a snowman, these clothing items will keep you insulated and comfortable. If your wardrobe is lacking these essentials, a visit to a local winter gear store is a must. 2. Have an emergency bag. Every vehicle should have an emergency bag, especially in the harsh winters of North Dakota. This bag is your lifeline when conditions turn treacherous. Include a warm blanket to ward off the chill if you get stranded. Pack bottled water and some snacks, like chocolate, to keep your energy up. A flashlight is essential for visibility, and extra hats and gloves can provide additional warmth. Hand warmers are small but mighty in keeping your fingers toasty. A shovel can help you dig out of snowbanks, and having some cash on hand is always wise. Being prepared can make all the difference in a winter emergency. 3. Have sand or cat litter in your vehicle. It might sound unusual, but having sand or cat litter in your car is a practical tip for winter driving. These materials provide traction when your vehicle gets stuck on icy roads. By placing sand or cat litter in front of or behind your tires, you can often free your car from a slippery situation. Additionally, the added weight in your vehicle can help improve traction overall. This simple trick can save you from the frustration and danger of being stranded on an icy road. 4. Allow extra driving time. Patience is a virtue, especially when driving in North Dakota's winter conditions. The roads can be deceptive, with snow covering patches of ice. This makes cautious driving essential. Always allow extra time to reach your destination safely. Avoid slamming on the brakes, as this can cause skidding. Instead, gently apply pressure to bring your vehicle to a stop. Even if you have four-wheel drive, sudden stops can damage your tires and brakes. By allowing more time for your journeys, you'll navigate the roads more safely and avoid unnecessary stress. 5. Extra socks. Keeping your feet warm is crucial in extreme cold, and sometimes a single pair of socks just won't cut it. Wearing 2 pairs of socks can make a noticeable difference. This extra layer provides additional insulation, keeping your feet snug and warm. Whether you're trudging across campus or spending the day outdoors, extra socks can prevent discomfort and even frostbite. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure warmth during those long winter days. 6. Full tank always. In winter, maintaining a full gas tank is more than just a convenience, it's a necessity. Cold weather can make vehicles run less efficiently, and you may find yourself running the engine longer to keep warm. Many cars offer remote start options, allowing you to heat up your vehicle before you even step outside. If your fuel gauge reads 20 miles to empty, don't procrastinate, fill up as soon as possible. Keeping at least a quarter tank of gas ensures you won't get stranded in the cold, and it helps prevent fuel line freeze-ups. 7. Keep charged up. A charged phone is your safety net in emergencies. Whether you find yourself out of gas, with a dead car battery, or involved in an accident, communication is key. Always ensure your phone is fully charged before embarking on any trip. This allows you to call for help, arrange transportation, or simply update friends and family on your status. In the unpredictable winter weather, Staying connected can make all the difference. 8. Communicate your travel plan. Communication is crucial, especially for college students traveling in winter. Inform your family and roommates about your travel plans. Let them know when you're leaving and check in during stops. Use weather apps to stay updated on conditions. This keeps everyone informed and can be vital in case of unexpected delays or emergencies. Being proactive with communication ensures peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. 9. Ice on windshield? We can fix that instantly. Scraping your windshield in a rush is a common winter morning frustration. However, a quick and effective solution lies in your kitchen. Mix 3 parts vinegar, or rubbing alcohol, with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Spraying this solution on your windshield will clear ice in seconds, saving you time and effort. This easy trick ensures you have a clear view and a safer drive on those frosty mornings. 10. Jumper cables. Cold temperatures can be tough on car batteries, sometimes leaving you with a vehicle that won't start. Jumper cables are a must-have in your car. They're essential for jump-starting a dead battery, especially in freezing conditions. Keep a pair in your vehicle and know how to use them safely. Having a friend or fellow driver to help can be invaluable. This preparation ensures you're not left out in the cold without a way to get moving again.